Hey everyone! After getting so many requests from you guys, I finally decided to make this video and show you how to customize Windows without using a single third-party app. Honestly, it's way easier than you might think. I'm not even sure why so many of you kept asking for this, but hey, let's jump right in. Alright, now that we've hidden the desktop icons, there's one more thing you should do. Head over to Settings, then Personalization, and switch to Dark Mode. Trust me, this one's a must. Next, go to Background, download a nice-looking 4K wallpaper and set it as your desktop background. If you want this wallpapers, just let me know in the comments. And finally, under the taskbar settings, turn off the search box. It makes the taskbar look a lot cleaner. Since we're not using any third-party apps for the taskbar, the best thing we can do is enable Auto Hide. It gives your desktop a much cleaner look without changing anything else. While we're already in settings, let me show you the lock screen too. There's really not much to do here. Just pick a nice 4K wallpaper, set it as your lock screen, and make sure this option is turned on. Honestly, I think that's all you need. Keeping it simple usually looks the best. As for the Start menu, we don't really have a ton of customization options. You can rearrange the layout, pin or unpin apps, and that's pretty much it. There's nothing too special here, so just set it up however you like. Go with whatever feels right for your workflow. Oh, and before we move on, let me show you one more thing. It's actually pretty important, and it'll help bring your desktop setup together. Now, you might be wondering, wait, how is your File Explorer all glassy and transparent without using any third-party apps? Or maybe, how do you have that crosshair cursor? I've already made a dedicated video showing exactly how to set up both of those. Instead of adding another 5 minutes to this video and repeating everything, I'd rather keep this one short and to the point. So if you want those two features as well, definitely check out that video. Alright, that's it for this video. As you can see, it was super simple, but honestly, these little changes can make a huge difference and save you from staring at the same boring desktop every day. And if you're okay with using third-party apps, I've already made a bunch of videos showing how to build some really awesome desktop setups. Feel free to check them out and pick the one you like the most. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and let me know what you think in the comments. You definitely don't want to miss what's coming next.